You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A very interesting word, this one, if you want to learn how to pronounce everything you can buy in such a Mexican restaurant, so Mexican dish names that too many people get wrong. Make sure to stay tuned, because we can learn a lot more here on this channel about those and pronounce them perfectly. Taqueria, or in English it's pronounced as taqueria. Taqueria, a restaurant with Mexican cuisine, specializing in tacos, of course. Taqueria, now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.